Hello, I'm Dr. Tim Herold from Electric City Animal Clinic and wanted to take a minute or two to talk to you about the importance of good oral hygiene in your pets. It's estimated that by the time dogs and cats reach the age of 3, 70% of those animals have some sort of periodontal disease. And that can lead to all sorts of other types of internal problems, the heart, lungs, kidneys, liver. So it's really important that we start up on a good oral hygiene program and keep going with that on at least a 3-time-a-week basis. The best way in order for us to keep our pets' teeth clean is to brush them 3 times a week. It sounds a lot harder than it is. It does take some patience, and sometimes it takes a little bit of humility and sense of humor as well in order to get good brushing done. The best way to start off with in terms of brushing the pet's teeth is just to get a good quality dog-cat toothpaste. It is important to get a pet toothpaste. You do not want to use a human toothpaste. It has too much fluoride, and if they swallow that, it actually can cause some pretty substantial stomach problems. So good quality doggy kitty toothpaste is important. To start off with, what I recommend is just take a little bit on your finger. Have your pet sit still, if possible, and just go in and just rub it on their gums. Just rub it around, get them used to you messing around in their mouth, and go with that. You can put it on a little gauze, you can put it on a little paper towel as well and use that. But trying to do that is important. And I would do that for a couple of weeks until you feel comfortable with your pet and your pet feels comfortable with you doing it. The next thing that you would want to do, Darla said, is to get a good quality dog-cat toothbrush, or you can use a finger brush. Some you do better with a toothbrush, some do better with a finger brush. You can use a very soft bristle pediatric toothbrush as well, but you want to make sure it's a very soft bristle brush. Darla said, take the toothpaste, just a small amount on the brush, and you're going to work on the outside of the teeth, and you're just going to go in a circular manner, going around in a good fashion, trying to cover each tooth. And the abrasive nature of brushing the teeth is what's really going to help to get that plaque and tartar off. That biofilm, that little kind of fuzzy film that you can feel on your teeth when you wake up in the morning, is the first starts of periodontal disease. That's where the bacteria attaches to the teeth, and then plaque, calcium builds up and causes all sorts of problems for them, tooth loss, gum disease, and like I said, sometimes we can actually see some systemic problems associated with it. The finger brush, like I said, some people like that. Put it on your finger, little toothpaste, and once again in a circular motion around the mouth, trying to cover each tooth. The hardest part obviously is to get way in the back, and that's when, especially when you have a long-nosed dog like this, the longer toothbrush works a little bit better. If your pet will not allow you to do any brushing at all, and there are some pets that are just not going to tolerate it, there are other products available that can help, from oral rinses to enzyme chews to different types of foods. Hill's Science Diet and Purina make some very good diets designed to help keep the plaque off. And there are some water additives that you can do as well. If you have any questions, you have any concerns about your pet's teeth or any of these products, please give us a call at 225-0015. Thank you.